It's so irritating. Since I got this new SD card, when I try to record a video, a lot of times I go back and it didn't record. I'm so annoyed about this. You know, I try to save a little bit of money on an SD card and it's defective. Anyway, yeah, so this is Verona, where Shakespeare wrote a lot of his works. And I'd like to get off and look around, but it's not possible. And same with Padua. People have told me it's very pretty there. I'd love to be able to stay, like, maybe if it was a 3-hour layover, it'd be perfect. If I could check my bag someplace for free and then just meander around about. But that is not to be. You can see we're getting more into the warm climate again because we see the palm trees are popping up. That's a sure sign. Get a view of something cute, an old building or ruin or something in Verona. This place inspired Shakespeare. Now I'm going to have to look up what the story of Two Gentlemen of Verona is about. I'm curious now. I guess Shakespeare must have hung out in Italy quite a bit. How did they get here in those days? They didn't have trains yet. Horseback? Who knows? No, nothing. Oh, this is something beautiful and inspiring, or some old ruin or something, but it looks very modern. Too bad. Well, there's a little bridge. Look in the distance. Yeah, it looks pretty industrial, this section. Disappointing. There's restful. They provide pillows and sheets for every person. One pillow, one sheet. The cranky guy, on the way here, I had to share a compartment with 6 people. It was crazy, but they were all fun except this one guy who was an awful wet blanket. He was, we couldn't stand him. And he demanded 2 pillows. And we had just had something, you're not allowed to. Well, I have to have pillows. Well, you're not going to have 2 pillows, okay? Pal, you're just going to have to tough it out tonight. So, he was, I think that's all he said to us the whole night. He grunted out a couple of things. That was it. But this time, I had no one sharing the compartment. So this was like a suite. A very tiny, adorable suite. Oh. Right. Here's the other side. Here's my door. And here's the other side of the view. Equally uninspiring, I'm afraid. And here is this side. Alright, so at least you got to see Verona. I can say I've seen Verona. And I will look up later on Google if there's anything good to see in Verona. But from this vantage point, sadly, I'm not seeing anything. Oh, alright, so about an hour left. I better start getting ready. I gotta get someone to help me with my suitcase. A very nice man helped me put my suitcase all the way on the top over there. You can't really see, it's too dark. Up on the top. Ooh, even with the lights on, you can't see it. Anyway, trust me, it's up there. I gotta get a guy to help me with that. Alright. Oh, I'm a little sleepy, but I'm okay. On to Roma. On to Roma. Bye, Verona. If there's something more to see, I'll check back in. Bye.